What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. We've got a Hot Wheels 10-pack and a Matchbox 9-pack. Let's go ahead and open them up. We'll start with this Matchbox 9-pack, which includes 9 different Matchbox cars, including one very exclusive car. 2016 Dodge Ram flatbed pickup truck, and on the side of it, it says road maintenance and Matchbox, and on the back you can see it's got like the road maintenance stuff on the inside. We've got a little toolbox area right there, and on the front end you can see it's just all blacked out. We've got a push bar in the front. The windows are completely tinted, so we don't see the interior of this one at all. Snow Thrasher, and this is like a raised up pickup truck. It's got 4 doors on here, and it looks like it's got maybe like some salt or something in the back there, so it can just go disperse the salt so that it's safer for cars to drive around. We've got a push bar on the front. We've got these like yellowish tinted windows on there, and it looks like a big sunroof on the top of it with some lights and stuff right there. We got a bar on the back where the rear is, so pretty nice. I like the raised look of this one. Matchbox service truck, and this looks like a postal vehicle by the looks of it. So I mean, obviously it's not the most special looking car. It's kind of boxy. We've got the rear right here, which would open up to have all the mail on the inside of it. It's got a hawk right there on there, a hawk or an eagle of some sort on there on the side of it. But overall, I mean, it's just a basic mail delivery truck. Dodge MONACO police car right here. This looks like a probably early 70s police car. Big 4-door sedan on there. We've got the lights on the top. It's a very glossy color on this one. We've got the striping on the side of it with the police logo right there. Plastic front end right there for the grille. No light paint or anything like that. On the rear, same thing, nothing painted. Overall though, it's a pretty just classic looking police car. 62 Volkswagen Beetle. This one's in like a sky blue color. Got a classic look for the wheel tire combination, and it does have a tow hook on the back of it. I'm not sure how much power a Volkswagen Beetle would have to tow around something, but they've included this on the Matchbox car. We got some sort of like bumper push guard right here on the front end, which is kind of odd, but overall, I mean, it's a pretty good design for a Volkswagen Beetle. 47.5 Chevy AD. Yeah, that's right. It's a 47.5. It says on the bottom right there. So that's a little bit odd. This is essentially just a pickup truck, and it's kind of like in that like matte army looking color on there. We got some logoing on the side of it. We've got the classic wheel tire combination right there. Nothing on the rear as far as even saying Chevrolet. It's just kind of etched into the casting right there. Plastic bed on this one as well. And on the front end, we've got that plastic grille right there. But overall, it's a well-designed pickup truck. 2016 Alfa Romeo Giulia. This one is a nice newer sedan. It's in like a pearlish white color right there. You can kind of see it shimmer in my lights right there. We got some nice rear painted lights and lettering on there, so that's some good detail to it. Even on the front end, it's got some great work for the tempo work as far as the stamping goes. Looks really, really nice with those front lights, and there's that classic Alfa Romeo grille on there. I think this overall is a really, really nice car. They've done a fantastic job on it. 2020 Tesla Roadster. Check this one out. It's in like a matte red finish. It's a matte dark red. Very, very cool. I absolutely love the design of the Tesla Roadster. Unfortunately, it's not out in real life, but hopefully it's coming soon. Tesla on the back of it. We've got the lights painted on there. Nice rear diffuser on there. On the front end, great looking lights. The Tesla logo on the front. Just an overall really, really good 1 in 64 scale car of this Tesla Roadster. 2006 Lotus Exige is our exclusive car for this Matchbox 9-pack. You can see right here, very classic British racing green on this one. We've got the Lotus logo on the front right there. We've got the lights right there that are painted on the side. It's a great looking design, great looking detail on the back for those lights. We got a spoiler on there in plastic. It's a little bit more weighted too of a car, so it's a full metal body on there. It's got the newer wheel tire combination, and on the bottom, I think this is, yeah, it is plastic, but it almost looked like metal for a second. I thought that might have be giving the weight of the car, but overall, I really, really like this Lotus. Moving on to our Hot Wheels 10-pack, which also includes an exclusive car. Let's go ahead and open it. Nissan 370Z, this one in a very glossy black color, and it's got some colored striping on the side, a white and gray stripe right there. Plus, it looks like we have a little gray Hot Wheels logo right there on the side of it as well. I like these wheels on the car. I think they suit it pretty nicely. Normally, I'm not a huge fan of these wheels, but I think it suits the 370Z. And on the front, we don't have anything painted as far as lights, just all blacked out. And on the rear, we do have the 370Z logo as well as the Nissan logo, the dual exhaust on the back. Overall, I'm really liking this Nissan. Fast Fish, this one is a great looking Hot Wheels fantasy car right here. It kind of reminds me of a Mustang, but like a modernized like 70s Mustang. We've got a spoiler on the back of it. Looks like we have some sort of intake or scoop on the top. I'm not really sure exactly what that's supposed to be. And we can see the engine is on the front and it's exposed with a see-through glass. That's some great detail on there. We got the Hot Wheels logo on the side, some striping on the side of it. These are the Hot Wheels Track Stars wheel tire combinations. So that's probably the series it comes in on the main lines. And we do have a nice diffuser on the back, but overall, I'm liking the Fast Fish car. Lamborghini Huracan LP10-4, and check out this color. It's got some nice sparkle to it. We got a black stripe down the center, kind of a double stripe right there. Great looking painted lights on the front of it with the little Lamborghini logo. Blacked out wheels on here. It looks great. And we look on the back, it says Huracan on the back of it. But you guys know I love supercars, and this is a great new Lamborghini Huracan to add to the collection. And next we got this Hot Wheels muscle car right here. Blacked out wheels on here with the chrome lip, and we've got the little Hot Wheels logo on the side. I really like this color. It's got some really nice metallic to it right there. We got the black striping on each side, kind of separated with that hood cowl. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS, and this one's totally customized. You can see the big rear lip. It looks like it's lowered, and it looks like it's got a wide body on it, which is really neat. We got that big cowl hood on there, a lot of chrome on the interior with the one seat that's all blacked out. So it's an interesting touch to this one. You can even see the chrome roll bar on the inside, that striping that goes down the center, and these wheels look really good on it. Porsche 911 GT2, this one with the blacked out wheels and the chrome lip as well. We got a big wide black stripe that goes on the front, and the top of the car does not continue to the back, which is a little bit odd. We do have that nice spoiler on there, painted rear lights, GT2 on the back of it, blacked out headlights on the front. What do you guys think of this Porsche? McLaren F1 GTR, a brand new color for this one. It's like a tealish blue color. We got McLaren written on the side of it, the number 3 Hot Wheels logo, and we've got these really nice looking chrome painted wheels right there. So some good detail on those. If we look from the top end, we've got that kind of separation for the striping right there with the white. We got that hood scoop on there, and we got painted lights on it as well. And then that big rear spoiler on here for the GTR McLaren F1. Ford Focus RS in a blue color. We've got white wheels on here. I really like the look of those ones. RS written on the side of it with some nice striping. And then we do have that dual striping that's outlined, just goes over the top. No painting on the front lights or anything like that. On the rear, same thing, no painting or anything. It's kind of plain, unfortunately, on that rear, but that side profile looks so good on this Ford. Carbonic is our next one. This Hot Wheels fantasy car is painted in a matte finish paint job on here, so it feels really cool. We got the black striping down the middle of it. We've got like these red highlights on the outside of it as well, which look kind of neat. And then these wheels, which are black with the painted white front on them, so it gives it a little bit more of an exotic look for this car. I'm honestly not a huge fan of this car though. And our exclusive car for the pack is the Porsche 356 Outlaw. This one's painted in gloss black, and then it's got these kind of off-color siding, and then the front hood that's painted. We have 310 on there. Not sure the significance of that at all, but we look on the side of it, look at all the cool like sponsorship and stuff. We got blacked out wheels with the chrome painted colored lip on there, which gives it a good touch. But overall, I think they've done a fantastic job, and this is an exclusive car to this Hot Wheels 10 pack. All right guys, in the comment section down below, let me know which pack you like the best. Was it the Matchbox pack or was it the Hot Wheels pack? Make sure you hit that like, follow, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.